My name is Brendan Dunlap, and I had the great pleasure of leading a two-day workshop for transforming cyber leadership. We have different levels of technical sophistication, different levels of business acumen, both in the class, but also in our day-to-day work. And so what we've been doing is making sure that the technical leaders know the business terminology and what drives the business, and that the business leaders can understand the technology, at least in an acceptable level.
I just want to come in and absorb and learn as much as I can, see what ISC2 had to offer. So it's just a wealth of knowledge that you can get into this think group and kind of exchange ideas and have a kind of camaraderie with like-minded individuals is a big plus. It's been a great experience.
The most difficult thing for people in IT is, one, communicating at all, but also being able to communicate to those executive leaders the correct information.
We meet people from all around the world. They give you a lot of things that you can actually apply to yourself. So this is my biggest takeaway from this.
This is something that you should take part of. It's providing that hands-on learning as well as interacting with peers of different industries.
Most cybersecurity professionals are pretty good communicators overall at a technical level, but I think they need to bring people along on the journey, understanding kind of what drives their stakeholders. Who is it that you're communicating with? What are the levers in the business that are most important for them to pull? And understanding not everybody's going to be technical and not everybody's going to be a business person, and you got to bridge that gap.
The workshops, I've never had a bad workshop, and this is my first workshop here with ISC2. It's been perfect so far.
I think the cross-pollination across industries and levels in the profession is one of the most valuable attributes that ISC2 brings to the community.